better not be closed because this is the way I want to start my day. Dad and I just saw this at the same time and laughed. Fiery Irishman, bangers and mash, shot of Jameson, Tabasco and pickle juice, and a pint of heart blocker. Wow.
But the two under that, the IRA?
Yeah. Irish breakfast, car bomb, and a spicy Bloody Mary. This sounds delicious. Pancake stuffed with Irish bangers topped with powdered sugar served with warm syrup. That's delicious. Look how good that looks. There's bangers in there. I'm so excited to eat this. The Kraken. Release the Kraken. Yeah, it is a really cool bottle. That's just steampunk coming out in there. If you can see that, it's called Angel's Envy, and then you see the wings in the back. It's pretty cool. By the way, those bangers and pancakes, delicious. So good. But now we're going to Target. I don't know why my parents are going to Big Lots, but I'm going to Target because Big Lots is gross. Target is better. Oh my god, that is awesome. This one has Luke and then Darth Vader. That's pretty funny. That squirrel is just sitting there eating all the birdseed and laughing, and Candace didn't even see it.
Look at him, he's sitting there. He's chowing down on all my birdseed. You see him? Do you see him?
Oh! I didn't even catch that because I was. No, I was too zoomed in.
Evans, comma Bob.
Oh. Ah.
Red Lobster.
Rough.
Oh, that's rough.
Protect her. Protect her. Come on.
Good thing you being nice too, because usually with me she really plays.
See? She's protecting you. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Oh, jeez.
Get her. Get her.
Protect.
Tell her. Good. Tell her. Tell her. Get her. And the whole time. Good girl, Candace.
I know, her tail won't stop
going totally. Good. Get her. Sarah's looking around. Yeah, good job, Sarah. All right. Stop. All right. I'm gonna stop.
Oh my goodness.
Kiss it.
Get the fish.
Look, it came out of Mommy's fish tank.
If that came out of your fish tank. No!
It's okay, baby. Get it. Get it.
Get the fish. Get you. No! He's like, Chloe did not like the fish.